Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Nvidia. The report was first published on our website January 12, 2022, but this is a more detailed version which also includes some fundamental data you need to know. In this 7 to 10 minute long video, we give you the information you need to know about Nvidia for the upcoming trading day on Thursday 13th, like support and resistance levels, signals, chart analysis, price-to-earnings ratios, and possible trading levels. Make sure you watch the entire report so you don't miss out on some key information needed for your trading. Please remember to subscribe so we can continue to grow and give you these free videos. Make sure to hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new video. Now just sit back, relax, listen and watch the screen as we will show you some interesting data as we move along with the report. In this section you will get some information about the current Nvidia performance to better understand where the stock is right now. In our systems, the Nvidia stock currently holds a -2.693 score, and our system has ranked Nvidia sell candidate since January 10, 2022. In this period the stock has so far done better than what our systems expected and had a gain of 2.19%. This is an average return of 0.73% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Nvidia, our last headline reads, "Green day on Wednesday for Nvidia stock after gaining 0.65%. The Nvidia stock price gained 0.65% on the last trading day, Wednesday, January 12, 2022, rising from $278.17 to $279.99, and has now gained 4 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day the stock fluctuated 3.58% from a day low at $276.08 to a day high of $285.95. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a -6.67% loss for the last 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -40 million shares and in total, 0 shares were bought and sold for approximately $0. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $346.47, and the lowest price was $115.67. Right now the price is 19.19%, or $66.48, below 52-week high at $346.47, which also is all-time high for the stock. The Nvidia stock trends, predictions and analyst ratings. Soon we will give you the analyst ratings for the stock, but first the trends. The stock lies in the lower part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $275.23 is broken, it will firstly indicate a slower rate of rising, but may also be an early warning for a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 19.01% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 17.34% and 54.65%. The 12-month trend indicates a 115.3% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between 92.96% and 175.11%. This equals a price between $540.28 and $770.28 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Thursday, January 6, 2022, Truist set target to $389 to $350. On Thursday, January 6, 2022, Truist Securities set target to $389 to $350. On Thursday, December 2, 2021, Tigris Financial set target to $230 to $400. On Monday, November 22, 2021, BMO Capital Markets set target to $250 to $375. On Thursday, November 18, 2021, Craig-Hallum set target to $220 to $350. From analysts, Nvidia stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Nvidia stock a neutral rating. In this section, we will give you some information about signals found for Nvidia. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, January 7, 2022, and so far it has risen 2.76%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence (MACD). Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Nvidia stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the stock giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $298.89. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $279.34. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Volume fell during the last trading day while the price increased. This causes a divergence and may be considered as an early warning, but it may not be. The very low volume increases the risk and reduces the other technical signals issued. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 4 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 14 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 20 days. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 170 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 195 days. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Nvidia. Nvidia finds support from accumulated volume at $278.01, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. In general, the stock tends to have very controlled movements, and therefore the general risk is considered very low. However, be aware of low or falling volume and make sure to keep an eye on the stock during the last day. The stock moved $9.87 between high and low, or 3.58%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 5.08%. The stock has a beta of 2.09. This tells us that Nvidia is 1.09 times more volatile than the market. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Nvidia. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Nvidia currently has a price-earning ratio of 84.74. A high price-to-earnings ratio could mean that a company's stock is overvalued, or else that investors are expecting high growth rates in the future. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Nvidia meets first resistance at $297.52. If you do not hold Nvidia shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Nvidia finds first level of support at $278.01, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Other levels you should watch based on the famous Fibonacci model are: buy at $276.90, $274.57, $270.80. Sell at $284.44, $286.77, $290.54. The average ratings, combined from several analyst sources for Nvidia, is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. The 5 latest insides trades have been done by Huang Zhen Hsun, whom have bought and sold 553,394 shares or options in the company. Please go to our webpage at StockInvest.us to find more details about the trades. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -48.120. In total, the insiders bought 1,370,768 and sold 3,933,100 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is Nvidia stock a buy? Nvidia holds several negative signals, and we believe that it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We, therefore, hold a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Thursday 13th, we expect Nvidia to open up 68 cents and start trading at $280.67. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.